The foundation also provided free medical outreach to over 250 individuals.
A non-governmental organization, When It Needs Foundation, has organized a medical outreach to treat at least 2,000 infants and children, donate free medical items to support the vulnerable Nigerians in the Federal Capital Territory. This initiative is a crucial step toward addressing the healthcare needs of the vulnerable Nigerians and elevating their plight due to the current economic hardship across the country.
And the women they're the most disadvantaged in this part of the world, in this country. The economy is so horrible. Inflation is so high that many families cannot even afford just 1 square meal a day, not to talk about 2. So that's why I have to do this. I have to look at the infants. I know about the infants born, but the parents can't afford to buy baby formulas. And I've seen children that are 3 years old and they look like they're only 8 months old. So the formulas and the baby food that we have here today, I hope and I pray that will do the work.
There are so many Nigerians that are actually who have the means, who are bourgeoisies, but they are not ready to assist the less privileged people. So I'm requesting other people who have the means, please, hiding millions or billions for only the family is not the best. It is better you help the less privileged people.
I urge Nigerians who are millionaires, who are billionaires, not to always concentrate in their family, but always extend the hands of love and fellowship to those that are in need.
This is the beginning of showing, though she has been, but now she is carrying over. She will take the mantle and she will go with it.
We are grateful to her. May Almighty Allah console her. May her mommy so rest in perfect peace. My children are okay. The only symptom they only have cough and malaria. That is all. They don't have anything serious.
This effort underscores a crucial commitment to addressing the immediate healthcare needs and the most vulnerable citizens and represent a tangible steps toward mitigating the broader health and welfare challenges exhibited by the prevailing economic climax in Nigeria.